still use your favorite lipstick if you knew it was tested on a helpless animal? If so, why? Why would you want a helpless animal to suffer? I mean, look at these pictures, it's sad. Let me tell you why you should care. First, let me tell you what I'll be explaining about animal cruelty. What animal cruelty is, problems of animal cruelty, and solutions to stop animal cruelty. What is animal cruelty? Animals get treated so badly that they get physically abused, they get neglected, and they get exploited. Mind you, these are helpless animals that are meant to be loved or in the wild enjoying their life. There are so many different animals that get unlucky. From the source, The Truth About Animal Testing by PETA, they say right now millions of mice, rats, rabbits, cats, dogs, and etc. are locked inside barren cages in laboratories across the country. They languish in pain, suffer from extreme frustration, ache with loneliness, and long to be free. Here are some problems with animal cruelty. Companies like Always, Arm & Hammer, Armor All, and etc. use numerous of tests on animals. Companies use skin and eye irritation tests where chemicals are rubbed onto shaped skin or dripped into the eyes of restrained animals without any pain relief. According to Cosmetics Animal Testing by Humane World for Animals, they say that at the end of test, they kill the animals if the test hadn't got to them first. They either decapitate them or exfoliate them. There's also the article, What Are the Problems with Animal Testing by the Environmental Literacy Council, that animals often do not accurately predict human response. Many drugs that seem safe in animals still fail in human trials. Overall, animals are used for testing that leads the animals to behavioral abnormalities due to suffering they are put through and to be killed. They get all the tests, and sometimes the outcome fails on human trials. So half of their work basically goes to waste. Now let me talk about solutions that these companies nowadays use instead of animal cruelty. First, vitro testing, which uses human cell cultures and tissue models to mimic biological process, offering a more accurate representation of human response according to the unseen suffering in testing by the Science Survey. Second, microdosing. Microdosing is used to study how very small doses of potential medicine behave in human volunteers. It should make the drug discovery process more efficient by highlighting earlier whether a compound is effective. New, urgently needed medicines could be available sooner and more cheaply as a result. According to microdosing can replace animal safety by animal research. Lastly, computer modeling, also known as In silico modeling is a reliable alternative to animal testing. It uses computers to predict the toxicity of chemicals in the body. Also in the article, Why Cosmetic Animal Testing is Bad, by Alternatives and Actions. These are solutions to stop animal cruelty that companies should use instead of animal testing. Overall, I don't find a need to use animal testing when we have technology that mimics ourselves. The usage of animal testing is cruel because it's a choice. And I get it, back in the day it made sense, but with now advance in technology, it shouldn't be a thing. Animals shouldn't go through all the suffering just for the product to fail. A waste of money and a waste of time. With all these alternatives, there's no reason why. Together we can make a change and bring a future where animals no longer need suffering from products we use. No animal should have to die or suffer for us to feel or look better.